Subject General Science, Standard 7, Lesson number 5, Food Safety. Students, in this lesson we will learn about the factors responsible for food spoilage, then what is meaning of quantitative wastage of food, qualitative wastage of food, then methods of food preservation, then what is meaning of food adulteration. Let us see. Complete the following chart with the correct information. See students, here are given different sources of food. First there are grains, jawar, wheat, millet, bajra, rice, and they gives us nutrient like carbohydrates, and functions, their functions is gives us energy. Okay. Then second, beans and pulses, they contain proteins and that is useful for growth and repair our body. Third, oil and ghee. Oil and ghee is contain nutrient like fats and they gives also energy. 4 number, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are contain vitamins and they gives us immunity resistance to our body. See students, if that all vegetables, fruits, grains we are eating and we are getting different types of nutrients from all the type of food, think that if the food becoming spoil or become infested by insect attack or maybe contaminated by microorganism germs, we could not eat the food. Okay, see what is meaning of food spoilage. You can see students here that in the open place the man is selling the food and this woman is on the side by the road. The woman is sitting and selling the vegetable. Here is the rat is attacking on that food, and next is here that food grain is laying on the ground. That means somewhere the food is destroying or having that spoilage. See, factor responsible for food spoilage. Sometimes fruit or their skin turn black. Some foodstuff give out foul or bad odor. That means sometimes the in from the food is coming the bad smell. Such foodstuff are not suitable for us to eat. Okay. Sometimes naturally available food material are spoiled by wrong handling, as when they are overcooked or improperly stored. See students, if we cook more and more food than overcook, then also the nutrients destroy. Also, it is becoming tasteless. Say in damp place, means whenever if we put the food in a damp place, in the moisture, okay, that also the food becoming spoiled. In such cases, the quality of food material deteriorates. They may also be spoiled due to transportation. During transportation, can you give more such example of food spoilage? The food stuff we consume, whether of animal or plant source, must be best quality. Otherwise, we may fall prey to disease or illness. Okay, that means we becoming feel ill. Food is said to be spoiled if there is change in its color, odor, texture, quality, taste, and there is a loss of its nutrient content. See student, if the real real taste or real color of the food becoming change, then food is not good to eat. Okay, observe and discuss. See, this is the fast food is keeping here. On a day out with our friends or family, we enjoy mouth watering dishes like pani puri, shev puri, pav bhaji, vada pav, pizzas, burgers. But have you ever given thought to how and where they were made, where they displayed and several hygienically served hygienically? What was the source of the water used for preparing them? Discuss all these matters with your science teacher. See student, we have to sure that the plates, in that plates we are eating, that plates are already clean, or water they are using to wash the dishes having clean or not. Also, they are taking the water for the cooking, that food material should be very clean. See, just like that, outside food we are eating, sometimes that is very unhealthy. Okay. See student, next point is food wastage. Can you tell how and where is food wasted? With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so, many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. That means, student, though in our country there is very much progress in the production of foodstuff, in the large amount of food stuff we are producing, but so many people are hungry till now. The people that poor people are hungry. Okay, many many do not get even one meal in a day, meal a day. That means at once also they do not get the food. Hence it is our duty to prevent wastage of food wherever it takes place. See students, we are in our houses, we are cooking more and more food, and sometimes we do not eat it and we throw it outside. Okay, so some people in our country, they are do not get food to eat, so we do not waste our food. See, qualitative wastage of food, quantitative wastage of food. What is meaning of quantitative wastage of food? Wrong methods of farming like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage, and wrong method of distribution are some reasons for quantitative wastage of food. Quantitative wastage of food means quantity. Whenever we produce the food in a large quantity, because of some reasons the quantity is coming very less. Okay, that we cannot grow the food in the large amount. Okay, beside, much food is wasted as result of custom of offering and serving too much food and guests at traditional feast or banquets. Student, in our family there are many functions, big functions, and we are serving their food in a large amount. Okay, and that time what's happening? The people are coming in the function, they are eating very less food and they are waste all that they waste the all the remaining food and throw it. Had it not been wasted, all this food could have met the need of many others. Qualitative wastage of food. Now see, whenever the quality become less, quality destroy, that time the say qualitative wastage of food. Using wrong method of protecting food, excessive use of food preservative, overcooking, washing the vegetables after cutting them, mishandling of fruits like grapes and mangoes, miscalculation of the time required to transport food from producers to consumers are some of the causes of qualitative wastage of food. See students, some reason are given here to becoming less quality of the food. See, some fruits like grapes and mangoes, if do not sell and transport in a time, okay, they do not reach to the peoples in a time, they become spoiled.